guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have another Mickey monthly unboxing to share with you guys today, and I have something really exciting going on that I'm going to do for a while, and I am going to have my own Mickey mystery bag. So basically every week, not every week, I wish I got Mickey monthly every week. So basically every month when I receive a Mickey monthly and do an unboxing for you guys, I have this bag of goodies of things from the Disney parks. Some of it was just basically stuff in my previous boxes that I didn't absolutely love just because maybe I wasn't into that specific character or that type of a product or whatever the case may be, and also a couple of things that I purchased in the Disney park. So it's just like a little token of thanks for you guys who have been watching and following me. I really do appreciate it, and I'm going to kind of just gonna grab something randomly out of this bag at the end of the video, and I will let you know what you need to do to be the person who gets to have it sent to you. And I'll let you know at the end of the video what you need to do to be eligible to win whatever product it is that I pull out of here. So I just thought it would be fun and make these types of unboxings a little bit more interesting. All right, so let's get right into my unboxing for this month. It is the very end of January, so you guys will be seeing this at the beginning of February. And let's get right into it. I'm so excited. It's kind of a smallish box this time. That's not always a bad thing. Okay, let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay, so there's white confetti. Oh, and there's little red Mickey, the confetti is like little red Mickey heads, I guess because it's going to be Valentine's Day soon. So this is fun. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is so cute. I know I've seen this before. I remember seeing this one. So it's Tinkerbell, and on the back it says, "Mornings aren't magical." That is perfect for me, especially this winter, because I've been having a really hard time in the mornings. And and her little coffee mug, I don't know if you can see it, her little coffee mug says Pixie Power. So cute. And it just has like a little screw top. Oh, there's some confetti in there. Really, really fun. I love this. I would probably like fill this with water and take it to the gym with me in the morning too. But this is really cute. I love it when they give me mugs. I have recently received a Minnie Mouse, like a ceramic travel mug from them, which I also absolutely love. So this is great. I really like this. Oh, I have another pin. This is cute. Disney Parks pins. I've just recently gotten into the pins. My children used to do pin trading, so we have a ton of pins from back in the day when they really loved doing it, and they had the lanyards and they had tons of pins, and then they kind of outgrew it and they just basically don't even want their pins anymore, so they gave them all to me. And I got so excited about it. I like got the binder and I organized them all, and I just really enjoy pins now. And I think it's a great souvenir to bring home when you don't want to bring home like a lot of clutter and things. When you go on vacation, sometimes it just becomes so cumbersome with all of the mugs and the magnets and the keychains. But just having a pin from like maybe the hotel that you stayed at or one of your favorite parks, or just picking up, you know, a random pin on every trip is a really nice little memento of your trip. So this one says, "Pirate's Life for Me." Oh, A Pirate's Life for Me from Pirates of the Caribbean. This is really cute. Let's see if you guys can see it. And it's kind of like girly because it's like pink pirates. That's really cute. I'm happy with my pin. Oh, what else is in here? Oh, it's a little Olaf. He's all tangled up in the confetti. Very cute. A little Olaf magnet. We finally got to go on the Frozen Ever After ride on our last trip to Disney, so this is like really cute. Nice little reminder of how much fun that ride was. It was really great. You guys definitely should try it out. If you haven't been on it, get a fast pass because it really is a fun ride. My daughter loved it. But this is so cute. It's just like a little Olaf head. Very nice. I don't really display magnets so much anymore, only because we don't put them on our refrigerator. I put some of them on our washer and dryer, and I usually just try to make it like themed as to places that we've been to, cruise ships that we've been on, locations that we've been to, and I just keep them all there, so I'm not sure where I'm going to put Olaf. He might end up in the mystery bag. We'll see. And that is everything. So I am really happy with what they sent this time. I'm always 100% honest with you guys. These videos aren't sponsored or anything in any way at all. And you know, it's hit or miss, but I've been happy lately. And when they give me more practical things that I can use, like I definitely could use a travel mug. This is really cute. And I really like getting pins, you know, just to add to my new pin collection that I have going on in my binder. And then this little Olaf is so cute. Okay, so we're at the end of the video. So I'm going to pull something out of my, what did I call it? My Mickey mystery bag. That's what we'll call it. My Mickey mystery bag, which is basically a Disney park bag that I purchased a really long time ago from Walt Disney World, and I just have some goodies in here. So what you need to do is comment down below. All you need to say is the word mine. If you want to be eligible to win, you have to say the word mine in the description below. And if you don't want it, you can still comment. Don't like not comment because you don't want what I pull out of this bag. If you don't say mine, I know that you're not interested. But if you say the word mine, I will call the name on my next unboxing, which will be the beginning of March. It'll be close to the spring. I'll be happy then. So please subscribe and say the word mine in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and you can be eligible to win what I pull out of my Mickey mystery bag. Okay? You may recognize some of these items from previous unboxings that I've done. All right. This is a good one for any Star Wars fans. Now, I love this, and this is an official Disney laser cell limited release, and the value on this is $24. It's really, really cute with Minnie Mouse, and she's dressed up like Princess Leia, and then you can see the official, the label on the back for the official laser cell Star Wars limited edition. It's an authentic collectible prized for its superior quality, produced exclusively for the Walt Disney Parks and Resorts. So I don't really, currently anyway, I am not a big Star Wars fan. I do plan on watching all of the movies and getting updated on it, and I'm sure at some point in time I may be. I have to be geared up for the new Hollywood studios. I have to learn my Star Wars. It's in my future, but currently I'm just not. And I'm trying to downsize this year, and I'm purging lots of things, and if I don't need it and I can't appreciate it as much as somebody else, I would rather just gift it to you guys. So if you're watching this video, clearly you're a Disney fan and you love Disney Parks merchandise, so I hope that somebody will really enjoy and appreciate this. It would just make me feel so good to know that this is in a place where somebody actually can appreciate having it. So comment mine in the description down below, and I will pull the winner by my next unboxing video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this month's Mickey monthly unboxing. I'm having such a hard time saying that today, I don't know why. And please go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to follow me over at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye. Bye.